Okay, so let's
Jiggy.
proceed. So let's proceed. Any question? Okay, so just as what I'm explaining, so we can start a variable name with number. You can only start with underscore or an alphabet, but you can use a digit, a number when you are declaring a variable, maybe within it or at the end. Yeah. So you also have to take note of that, and no spacing is allowed. The variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Yeah, you can't use reserved word or keyword. You can't say int equals to 20. No, you can't use int, all those keywords, the keywords we talked about earlier, if and the likes. You can't use them as variables. So yeah. And I also want you guys to actually um know this. The operating sequence of preprocessor directives is shown below: high level language, pure high level language, locatable code, assembly level language, pure machine level language. So this is how your code gets compiled. You know, I told you guys that once you are given once you it's just like when you hear a word, your brain interprets it for you to understand. So that's how computer also works. After you type your programming language, after you are done typing your programming language, um it's still being compiled. So from your preprocessor, the preprocessor will actually process the language first, then it goes to your compiler. So compiler that will compile it, then it goes to assembler. Assembler will assemble it to assembly level language. Then you have your loader and linker. So this is one that will now um bring it back down to machine level language that the computer can understand, the 0, 1, 1, 0 and the likes. So we also have type of preprocessor directives in programming language. So I won't be going in depth into all these parts. I won't be going in depth into all this. No. These are best explained using practicing. So I'll be explaining most of all those remaining parts when we are practicing. So um I want so now this is time for question. We got into the questioning section. Question. I'll be expecting a lot of questions. Questions. Are you guys here? Hope you all can hear me.
We can hear you. We can hear you. Go on.
Yeah, I said questions. Questions. That's the end for the explanation.
Okay.
Questions.
Okay. I have
Yeah.
a question. Oh.
Okay, proceed.
Please, what does INT mean?
Int is the short
Yes.
form for integer. Int. It means int. Short form for integer. You know what integer is?
Yes. Okay. So why do you have to write that INT main whenever I want to start a code?
Okay, we've not actually even gotten to that aspect.
Okay, okay. Maybe in the
That's
next class.
okay.
Yeah,
But
thank you.
that's
Jiggy, how
that's
far
fine.
now?
Any question? Any question?
Jiggy.
Okay, so I said I'll be asking questions and there'll be a lot of giveaways. So in the chat session, the app we are using for the class is under which programming language? Okay, this is not actually an app. This is a web. Okay, more like a web app rather, a website that we're currently using for the class, and the website can be built with different programming language. So for this one, I can't really say, but it's mainly maybe with JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript programming language. Oyeloye. I hope I answered your question. Yeah, so give me time. First, okay, 1K airtime each for the first two people that types five valid um variable. Do you have the new live stream? I want you to type it on YouTube. I'm coming. Let me share you the new live stream link. So you go to the YouTube, you subscribe. I also want you guys to subscribe to. So this tutorial class is powered by Intelli Solutions, and also so I want you to appreciate by subscribing to the YouTube channel. Though tomorrow I will not be talking about what Intelli Solutions is about. Maybe in our last class. Let's focus on the class for now. So come to the post, like and comment. I'll be sharing the live stream. So you type five valid variables for me in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe. I'll be checking. You type it and you type your name under five valid variable names.
We thought you said you should do on YouTube.
Type it in the comment section there. You type the five valid variable names, then you type your name underneath it. I've dropped the YouTube link here. Are you guys having any issue typing it? I'm here to see anything. Anybody? So are you guys there? I'm still waiting. You can also type it in the chat session here if you have any issues, like opening the link. I'm still waiting for the link. Oh, it's streamed up also on YouTube, but you can still come. That's one. Are you guys there? Hello, can you guys hear me? What of now? Is it better now? It's not better. How do you know? How do you hear me? Okay. So what I said was that you guys should give me five, give me five valid variable names. Anybody? I'll move to another question. Anybody? Hello, can you hear me? It's time based. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left to close out this session. Okay. Since there are no questions, so instead of like wasting time, so the giveaway session is off. Nobody, I did not hear anybody's voice, no question. No. So I'll just advise you guys to prepare better tomorrow. Try and go through what I've watch the video. You can watch the video on YouTube. You can stream the video live on YouTube. Just search for Intelli Solutions. You'll see the video on YouTube. So we have the first video here. Let me show you. So we have the first video here. We have the second video. So I will drop in the video link. So we have the first video YouTube link here, and we have the second video YouTube link here too. So you can stream the video live for those that missed it. So Oyinloye. Okay, I think Oyinloye got it. Though I've closed out the giveaway session, but for actually making attempts, drop your drop your number. After you know you have not pick up anybody because I've waited for a very long time. Or should I throw out another question? Someone should miss an answer. For the variable name, the session is off. Only you can drop your number. Only you can drop your number. You can drop your phone number. If you can hear me. Okay, good. Drop your number before we end this call. So, any question? Any question? Okay, good. Any question?
Please, can we also have the tutorial on another course apart from this one?
Tutorial another course.
Yes, if
Actually,
possible.
let's, okay, fine. I would I'll communicate this with the department. So I'm the director of project and I'm just the one handling these parts. So I believe there are other
Oh, okay,
people handling other parts. Yeah.
okay,
So
okay.
that will be passed across to you in your
All right, that's fine.
department.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So how is the class? What do you guys think about the class? What do you guys think we should improve on? What do you guys think I should improve on towards tomorrow class? What are the challenges about today's class? I want to hear from you guys. What do you think I should do better towards tomorrow's class? I need I need you guys feedback. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, I think the class is okay. It went well.
Hope you understood most of it. Hope you understood like hope you're able to
Although
like catch up.
me personally, I came late to the class, sha, but I was able to understand the parts that I read. Sha. Yeah, so it was okay. I tried to come earlier
Yeah,
tomorrow.
okay, good. So for those that came very late, there's a backup for you guys. The class is fully streamed on YouTube. You can watch it. Don't worry. The PRO will pass the link across to you guys. Yeah. So I think we should call it a day. Right, thanks. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate.
Please,
See you
please,
all
before you go,
tomorrow.
can you give us the answer to the question you asked? The valid variables, something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
There are people already dropping it. So it's not a question that has one answer. It's questions that have different answers. So I've explained variables. So if you watch the tutorial, I can still ask the question again tomorrow. I'm going to be asking questions on what I've taught yesterday and the new things I'll be teaching tomorrow. Rather, or what I've taught you guys today rather, and the new things I'll be teaching you guys tomorrow. So just watch the video all over again. So it's a question that has you can give as many as possible answers as you like. So I'll ask for valid variables. I told you guys that variables are more of like naming things, and I gave the rules of naming variables in C program language that you can't put space in naming. You can only use alphabet, you can only use alphabet digits and underscore. And while you are naming a variable, you can only start with either alphabet or an underscore. You can't start with a digit, a number. You can't start a variable name with a number. So any name you can come up with, maybe it's go, maybe it's com, maybe it's go 20, com 30. You understand? Those are valid variable names. You understand? But the main thing is that you must make sure that there's no space. It does not start with number. It does not have space, and it only starts with alphabet and digits. Alphabet and underscore rather. It does not start with digits. So then you are good. And you don't use a
Okay.
keyword. And you don't use a keyword. So any name you can come up with and doesn't overwrite those rules is a valid variable name. So that's what's the answer.
Oh,
So I was expecting
so
you guys to have anything you like,
all right.
but don't violate those rules.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
you are
So
good.
someone can write underscore Joshua. That's it. As long
Yeah,
as there's no space. Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. I understand that one now. Thank you.
Exactly. So any other thing before we call it a day rather? Any other thing? Question? Any other thing, any other question before we call it a day? Yeah, Pyro, you can stream it live. Empire, thank you. Thank you for making an attempt. Yeah, so see you all tomorrow. Let's call it a day. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.
All right. Goodbye.
Ah.